New York State, the New York State human rights law is usually motivating factor for everything. I'm sure that there's defendants out there who are gonna, argue that maybe it should mirror, mirror whatever the federal statute is, even though the, New York State human rights law has everything all in one law, whereas federal law has Title VII that has a bunch of different things in it, but then there has disability as its own thing, then it has age as its own thing. In New York, everything's all this under the same umbrella. So it's possible that in California it's a different standard, but typically age discrimination is very hard to prove because unless you have kind of overt comments, especially if you work for a big company, the age threshold is 40. So usually a lot of times the head people in a big company are going to be over 40. You're going to have a lot of peers that are probably over 40 in a bigger company. But something like this, where you can kind of say, oh, every single woman working for this company outward facing is 20 years old, then I think it's going to be potentially easier to demonstrate that this could be age discrimination and not, some other reason. Because I think the question that we ask in these types of cases and in many types of discrimination cases, but I think age discrimination would be one of the best examples of it is, when we tell somebody that they're not a good fit for the company or that they're changing their focus, like what do we really mean when we are saying that?